Okay.
which I find very impressive. Uh,
Yeah.
and you also have done businesses, or you have a head for businesses or being entrepreneurship. So go in both routes. You don't have to
Yeah.
stop one or the other, but see how can I make which one is the best one. Oh,
Mhm.
and that's the key. You certainly got all the raw materials to
Mhm.
do it, and I'm saying that's fine, which is good. You have the energy, which is fine to do. You had at least you said you wanted to improve it, so you wanted to speak to me. You're going to
Yeah.
pay to hear what I have to say, which is an indication of your desire to improve your knowledge or get so improve my knowledge by getting the benefit of somebody else who's got more knowledge. That's
Mhm.
fine. So you got all the things, raw material. You will
Very
be
soft.
you will be successful, and you should be successful. How
It'll be quite
successful
loud
is
already
up to
now.
you, and also the
Is it soft?
opportunities as they come up.
Hi everyone, I'm here with George Ross, and George Ross is a former executive vice president for the Trump organization. He has been the right-hand man of Donald Trump for 47 years, and he's perhaps best known for his appearance in The Apprentice, a TV show by NBC. And today I'm here with him, and I'll be asking him a few questions about entrepreneurship and seek his advice because he used to be the senior counsel of the Trump
He
organization.
was the
So,
former
hi George,
right-hand
how
man
are
of
you?
Donald Trump for 47 years. Okay, yeah, and he's the coach of JT Fox. Like JT Fox's coach is George.
I am fine, thank you.
So, what do you think were the biggest takeaways you learned from working with Donald Trump?
I think the biggest takeaway by far was his ability to delegate and his willingness to delegate. He would surround himself with good people, tell them what he
Mhm.
wanted done, and they would do it. And he didn't have to get involved unless something came up that was unusual. As a result of it, he didn't spend that much time on any particular transaction. He could do any number of transactions without being personally involved. So I think that's the key to any successful organization is to have people that are competent, that you can trust, and to delegate work to them and let them do their thing.
Does he outsource the decision-making processes as well? Or
Yeah,
yeah, okay,
yeah, but
great.
you gotta have people you can trust. I think what most entrepreneurs or people doing the business is to say, unless I do it myself, it won't get done right, and that's the wrong attitude. Then what you got is a one-person business, which is hazardous in the event something happens to that one person.
Got it. Okay, and I was listening to the Zoom call where you were coaching JT Fox, and one of the things you said was that you should pick a coach that doesn't have a financial interest in your business. Could you elaborate more on that? Like, why a coach that doesn't have a financial interest? Wouldn't a coach that has a financial interest be better?
Yeah, no, the problem is if you have a coach that has a financial interest, then they have a tendency to think of the protecting the financial interest rather than giving you straight information. So it's important that they be totally divorced from your business. Otherwise, they could be tainted. They look at it entirely differently. And that was the advantage really that I had with my relationship with Trump. I never had a nickel invested in any of his properties or any of his investments. So when he asked me my opinion on something, I could say it without being concerned on the financial impact on the deals that I was involved with. So if you really want to coach, you should get somebody that is independent, has no financial interest in your projects, and will give you the information, give you what they think about whatever question you're asking without figuring how to impact the financial position that they're in. So I think a good coach, in order to have a good coach, it's independent. You want a good advisor, they don't have to be independent.
Okay, we'll start in 2 minutes, okay?
In other words,
good advisor.
you can get somebody, yeah, you can get somebody that's really good that have a part of your business, or you have a part of their business.
Got it. All right. So I've been coaching my clients on sales, marketing, and branding, and right now I have about 1,200 clients who bought my 997 course, and now I've got 2 paths. And the first path is to go the high ticket route where I charge them 5K, 10K, and 25K for coaching. The second route is to partner with them and own, example, like 20% of equity in their business, and then like acquire, grow, and sell, acquire, grow, and sell. So which path would you recommend I take, and why?
Well, you're talking 2 different routes. First of all, as far as the coaching, I'm very impressed that you had that many people that bought your course on sales, marketing, and branding. That's that's a feat unto itself, and obviously they liked what they paid for the course. And I don't know how many of those are repeats who would come back to you and they want you invested, your advice for the business that they're going into. That's a different story. Whether or not you're participating as a coach or you're giving them advice on how to improve their sales tactics or their sales business, or whether or not you're a financial investor or you want to be a financial investor. 2 different worlds. I would be, my personal feeling is that they're not going to give you 20% of the equity just for your coaching. Right? They might give you some of it. So you can work out a situation where you are willing to coach, and then you have the right to buy into their company. Or they're going to give you
Let's start today's session. Okay. Hi, can everyone hear me? You can hear me, type yes in the chat. Okay. So for today's session, right, I'll be going through. Can you hear me? If you can hear me, type yes in the chat. Yes? Okay. By the way, does anyone want to get hot seat for Go High Level? If you want, type hot seat in the chat. If later on you want to get hot seat, right, then I'll allocate some time for hot seat. Yeah. So anyone wants to get hot seat, if you want, type hot seat in the chat. Okay. Okay. So we still got quite a number of people coming in halfway. Okay, no worries. Okay. Let's start. Okay. So for today's session, right, I want to share with you about Go High Level. Okay. And I feel that it's a software that I've been using almost like every day. My Go High Level, my AI WhatsApp, AI callers in Go High Level is all working in the background. And I feel that it's important that I teach you all this because I would say Go High Level is like every good marketer knows Go High Level. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to share with you like roughly what Go High Level can do. Okay. So it can do, it's a CRM. Okay. You can create sales funnels with it. It's a website builder as well. You can create surveys and forms. Okay. You can do email marketing like email blasts, etc. So rather than paying MailChimp, you can use email Go High Level for email marketing. It can do SMS marketing as well. It can do booking and appointments. It can do workflow automations. It can do causes of products, call tracking, reputation management, tracking and analytics, and it can build communities as well. Like you can create causes and communities using Go High Level. You can do document signing as well, okay? And you get a gray label mobile app. Okay. Now, so I've been using Go High Level for a long time now, okay? And if you want to get a 30-day free trial of Go High Level, I recommend you use this link, okay? It's free and you can try it out, okay? Okay. So, why do I use Go High Level? Because now, later on, I'll show you how to use Go High Level, okay? Okay. So, I hope that everyone can go and sign up a free trial now, okay? Once you're done, type done in the chat, and then after that, I'll show you all the backend and how to use the AI caller, AI WhatsApp, AI SMS, AI emails, AI. You can even post content to your social media automatically. You can create funnels. You can do all kinds of stuff. Okay. Okay. So once you have signed up a free trial, type done in the chat. It's free. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And this Freedom Funnels Coach is a white label of Go High Level, and it belongs to Lucas Go, who is one of our mastermind members. So why do I choose to use Freedom Funnels Coach instead of Go High Level? Is because for Go High Level, theirs is like 297 a month or even 497 a month. But if I use under Freedom Funnels Coach, then it's only $97 a month. So and I get all the features that they have. Yeah, unlimited websites, unlimited funnels, unlimited automations, unlimited forms, unlimited surveys, calendars, pipelines, leads, causes, A/B split testing, and much more. Okay, so who wants to get a free trial of Go High Level? If you want, type free trial in the chat. Who doesn't want? If you don't want, type no. Type no thanks in the chat. Okay. Who wants to get a free trial? If you want, type free trial. If you don't want, type no thanks. Okay. Okay. So um okay. Okay. So JC wants a free trial. Okay. Who else wants a free trial? If you want, type free trial in the chat. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna give you 5 minutes. Go ahead and enroll. Okay. As in go ahead and like get your free trial. Okay. I'm gonna give you the link again. The good thing about going through Lucas, right? Lucas Go is that number one, he can give you support. If like you got any questions, you will have you can ask him in the WhatsApp group and he will guide you, right? Number two, you get more features compared to if you go directly to Go High Level. Yeah. So that's why getting a free trial makes sense. Okay. Okay. So I'm just gonna give you 5 minutes. Once you're done registering for free trial, type done. Okay. And then later on I'll show you how this software works. Okay. Even if you don't plan to use this software long term, I highly encourage you try this free trial. Okay. So that you get a feel of it, and then you can always unsubscribe on the 29th day and you will not be billed a single cent. Okay. Yeah. And for the purpose of this training, it's best if you have a free trial so that when I'm going through with you how the how it works and everything, then you can straight away use it. Okay. Okay. Now, why do I use Go High Level? So like what I do is like I have Webinar Kit to do my automated webinar funnel and everything, right? And then I integrate it with Go High Level because I need to use Go High Level to send them automated WhatsApp messages, to send them like to do an AI call, to create automations like tag the lead and all that. Yeah. Later I'll explain more, okay? Yeah. Could I just do everything on Webinar Kit itself? Yes, but Webinar Kit doesn't have WhatsApp. So if let's say I message people using WhatsApp, my WhatsApp will get banned. After you message like 10, 20 leads a day, your WhatsApp will get banned. And at my scale, your WhatsApp will get banned very easily. So if you use Go High Level and you're using Go High Level's WhatsApp API and everything, then you won't get banned. Like I've sent, I think tens of thousands of messages, and so far my WhatsApp is still working fine. Okay. Okay. Okay, once you're done, type done. Once at least 5 of you are done, then we will continue and move on to teaching about how to use the software. Okay. Okay, I see a lot of you typing free trial. Very good. So JC type free trial, Jack Peace type free trial, Shirley type free trial, Jaina type free trial, Eric Su type free trial, Amy type free trial. Okay, great. Okay, anyone who else wants to get a free trial, type free trial in the chat. Once you've signed up for your free trial, type done in the chat, and then I'll ask Lucas to enable the access for you. Okay. I'm not sure if Lucas is available now, okay, but he will definitely create your accounts for you as soon as possible. Okay, okay. Shall we start? Okay. So if we choose Go High Level, we do have to sign up Webinar Kit too, right? You could Webinar Kit has its own pros and cons, like it has its own benefits that Go High Level doesn't have. For example, like Webinar Kit has automated email reminders via Webinar Kit, okay? Where let's say if someone registers for this date, then they'll receive an email 30 minutes before, 3 hours before, etc. And it's automatically programmed. If you do Go High Level, right, you have to like you literally create it specifically like um if let's say your event is on 5th September, so you have to create a automation email automation on 5th September and then 4th September and then 3rd September. You have to manually create it, whereas if you use Webinar Kit, then it's automated. And then like Webinar Kit, it feels like it's a live webinar where people cannot pause and play the video. There's a few other benefits that Webinar Kit has if let's say what you want to do is to do an automated webinar funnel. Okay. Yeah. IM Education asks, Freedom Funnel Coach can be used concurrently with Brandon Lee's 4 agent systems. Have to choose either one. Yeah, it definitely can be used concurrently. And in fact, it will enhance all those 4 agents because you probably can use Go High Level to send cold emails as well. Yeah. And later I'll show you how you can draft emails using Go High Level. Okay. Done, sign up free trial. Okay, very good. Okay. Are Salsa or other CRM close to Go High Level? Nowadays, many guru, including Simon Leong, have built CRM and are giving 1 year free trial. I've never tried Salsa before. I mean, I've never tried it before, so I can't comment. Okay. But let me just check, like, yeah, so Freedom Funnel is Go High Level. Okay. Freedom Funnel is the white label of Go High Level. Okay. That means Lucas go pay a bunch of money to Go High Level to white label it so that he can give your account. So rather than buying directly from Go High Level, if you buy through Lucas, number one, you get more support. Number two, you get more features. Okay. Um yeah, I can't comment about Salsa. I've never used it before. You can go and try it out. They give a 30-day, yeah. So yeah, I can't comment. Okay. Okay. Now, let's cover about Go High Level. Okay. So, are you ready? If you're ready, type ready in the chat. Okay. Okay. I don't know when Lucas will give you your accounts. Okay. Hopefully within the day. I'll give you all his contact. Let me give you all Lucas Go's contact. Uh, so what's his WhatsApp number? +65. Okay, this is Lucas Go contact. Lucas Go. Okay. +65 868 Okay. So let me share with you. Okay, whenever I join any new software, I like to click every single button so that I can know like what are all the features are. That's just me. I don't know how you all normally like to do it, but like I like to do it. I like to go from the top and then I just click every single thing and then know what this can do. Okay, okay. So let's start off with clicking the top button. Okay, so at the start, right, this is the launch pad where they will onboard you and tell you like what Go High Level can do. Okay, then you can just follow their steps to be onboarded. Okay, okay. The second tab is the dashboard. So this dashboard, right, you can create like a dashboard, and this is editable, where you can see at a glance, like how many appointments you have. Okay, 67 appointments, showed 12, no show 21, cancelled appointment. Like you can create a dashboard and you can track like, okay, what's your Facebook ad spend, what's your Google ad spend, what's your opportunity pipeline, etc. Okay, okay. The third thing is conversations. Okay. So in conversations, right, you can see like my AI is replying people on WhatsApp automatically. Okay. So later I'll show you how I set up the WhatsApp and everything. Okay. But you can see one thing I love about Go High Level, right, is that when someone sends so the moment I have a contact, okay. So example, I'm just gonna use my own contact just so that we don't get into any PDA or anything. Okay. Uh, yeah. Okay. So let's say Alaric is a contact in my CRM. Okay. Okay. So one good thing about Go High Level, right, is that it syncs all the conversations to this contact in one go. Okay. Okay, everyone please write this down. That means the emails that you send to this contact, the SMSs that you send to this contact, and the WhatsApp messages that you send to this contact, and even if they are all synced into one inbox. So rather than, let's say, you manage different softwares and then you don't know like, what information they receive, what emails they did receive, and then like the salesperson doesn't know like what WhatsApp messages they've received. But over here, everything's in one inbox. The emails, the SMS, the WhatsApp is all inside one inbox. Okay, everyone type in the chat, unified inbox. Okay. Okay. So you get a unified inbox with email, WhatsApp, and everything. Okay. Okay, I'm Education asks, and also Freedom Funnels coach is more prestigious than Systeme.io. You ever thought before, right? With these one-stop solutions become much more professional. Okay. Freedom Funnels coach is 10 times more powerful than Systeme.io. Systeme.io, if you want to just create like emails and like sales mails and causes, you can, okay? But Systeme.io cannot do WhatsApp messages, cannot do AI callers. You have to use other softwares in order to do that. Whereas Go High Level is like all in one and you can do everything inside here. Okay. Okay. So like you can see over here, I can WhatsApp this person. Then if let's say I want to WhatsApp Alaric, right? I can just select a template and then I can send him a message, right? So for example, let's say I'm gonna send him that, oh, the high ticket workshop is started. So when I press send, then I will receive an SMS. I'll receive a WhatsApp message, sent from my Go High Level. You see, I'm seeing a WhatsApp message that's just sent by my Go High Level. Okay. Can you see? This was just sent because I just sent it, right? Okay. At 8:17, it sent me a WhatsApp message. Okay. Okay. Now, another thing, right? Okay, is that I can SMS, I can call, okay, I can WhatsApp, and I can buy a number on GoHighLevel, okay, where this number can call people. And this will be able to call like even people that are not in Singapore, like it can be overseas as well. Okay. So for example, now I'm gonna press call. Okay. Okay, wait, I'm not gonna call this number. I'm gonna call my other number. Okay. So let's say this is my number. Okay. Okay. Uh, yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna call this number. Okay. So I'm gonna turn off the do not disturb and everything. Okay, so now WhatsApp okay, has launched a new feature called WhatsApp Business Calling. Okay, everyone please write this down. WhatsApp Business Calling. This was only available recently, okay, where you can actually call people via WhatsApp using GoHighLevel. Okay, okay. But I'm gonna show you two types of calls. Okay, the first call that I want to show you is a normal call where like my phone line rings. Okay, okay. Not this number, my other number. Okay, not these numbers. Okay, so I'm gonna call. Okay, I've got two types of calls. The first kind is called normal call. Everyone type in the chat, normal call. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a normal call. Okay, that I'm receiving from GoHighLevel. Okay, so now I'm calling myself. Okay, okay. So now I'm receiving a call. So I press answer. Okay.
Okay.
So example,
For example,
hello, can you hear me?
hello, can you hear me?
And now my
And
phone
now my
is
phone is
picking up the call.
picking
You
up the
understand?
call. You
Okay.
understand? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is called a normal call. Okay. Okay. And then after the call, right, I can write like whether I won the sale or not interested, follow up, no answer, voicemail, requested appointment, incorrect number, etc. Okay. Okay. The second type of call is called WhatsApp call. Everyone please write it down. WhatsApp business calling. Okay. Okay. So I'm calling myself on WhatsApp. Okay. So instead of receiving a normal phone call, I'm receiving a call via WhatsApp. Can you see? I'm I'm receiving a WhatsApp call from myself. So when I answer, okay, hello, can
Hello,
you
can
hear
you
me?
hear me?
Okay, so
Okay,
you
so
can
you
see
can
that
see that
I can,
I can
I
see
can
I'm
I'm talking to
talking to
myself.
myself now.
Okay, okay, okay. Now, so you can do WhatsApp business call and also normal call. Okay, okay. What else? Okay. Another thing I like about okay, and then of course it can send SMSs and all that. Okay, so I can send SMS, call, WhatsApp, email, internal comment. That means I send to my, let's say I have 5 team members in my GoHighLevel, so I can write an internal comment like this lead. I already had a call with him. He said he's not interested to buy something like that. Okay, okay. Contacts, appointments, opportunities, payments, invoice, AI actions, etc. Okay, okay. So example, I can even send invoices to this person. Okay, if let's say I want to send an invoice, I can like send an invoice to this person, and then I can like receive payments automatically, etc. Okay. The next thing is it it can see exactly all the actions that this contact took. Okay. So example, let's say the person landed on this page, right? Okay. I can see that okay, this person, okay, landed on the source is through direct traffic. That means they directly landed. Okay. I can also see if let's say they came in from Facebook, or they came in from Google, or they came in from YouTube, or they came in from TikTok, etc. Okay. Or if they came in through a referral from an affiliate, etc. So I can even see which page they visited. Like this person visited this page on at this time, okay, and then they visited this page after that, and then they visited this page, and then they visited this page, and then they visited this page, this page, this page. I can see every single page that the person is visited. Is that pretty powerful? If that's powerful, like powerful in the chat. So like literally like no other software has this kind of feature where it shows you exactly which link they click and all that. Okay. Yeah. So I can see exactly lah. Okay. Okay. I can also see their associations, like which company they're from, etc. And then these are the tasks where I can tell my team like, okay, go and follow up this lead, for example. Then I can add notes over here. Okay, so I can add a note like, okay, my AI caller called this guy, and then this is his, like, this is the summary of the call, and then this is the transcript of the call, etc. Okay. Okay. Then appointments. Okay. You can do documents and all that. Payments. Okay. So I can collect payments. Example, let's say I can do action and I can add card on file. I can add his credit card or debit card on file, or I can charge him. So I can charge, if let's say I have his card already, I can charge him. Let's say I want to bill him 1,000 SGD. I can press save, and then straight away it charges his debit card. Okay. I can also I can also like create a subscription. So I like bill maybe $100 a month, create an invoice. Okay, it can be a recurring invoice or create an invoice, create estimate to create this is roughly going to be this much, and then ask you to make payment, etc. Okay, okay. There's also agent logs over here where it shows me exactly like whether my AI caller or my AI WhatsApp chatbot message the person and like how was the call, what was the conversation like. I can see like, hi, is this Alaric? Yes. Also, this Daniel from Alaric's team, blah 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 blah. Okay. So I can see all this. Okay. So that's the first thing. Okay. Like it has a very strong CRM. Okay, everyone type in the chat CRM. Okay. And you can do WhatsApp, SMS, calls, etc. Okay. The next thing is, okay, let me see any questions you have first. Had signed up for the 30 days, but you don't have access yet, right? Have to wait for Lucas. Yeah. You just wait for Lucas, or you WhatsApp him and tell him that you just signed up for the free trial. Tell him you're in my mastermind, he will speed it up for you. Okay. Normal call, normal call, normal call. Kind of like Salesforce, monitor every single lead turning into customer for after sales follow-up too. Yes, correct. Okay. Okay. So the first thing is the CRM. The second thing is that there's the calendar, okay, where it is like if you have this, you don't need Calendly, you don't need Cal.com, you don't need tidycal.com. And in fact, it's more powerful than that. Because for all those other softwares, first of all, those are paid softwares, but this is all included inside this software. Okay. Secondly, I can do things like I can round robin the leads. So for example, I can say like send the leads to salesperson. Let's say I got 3 salesperson, then the AI will automatically allocate and send them the correct meeting link and to the person. So let's say like you will route the lead to the correct person, etc. Okay. And then okay, let me just show you an example of like how you set up your calendar notifications and stuff. Okay. So like you can name your URL, the name of the meeting invite title, etc. You can choose like the meeting location, okay, and then choose your availability, your booking rules, etc. Okay. Now this part, right? Okay. So far, last time I always used to do date and times selected, then only the form. Okay. So that looks like that. When it is date and time selected, then only the form, it looks like they choose which time slot they want, then only they fill up the form. Okay. But I realized actually a better way. Okay, so let's say I got no slot. Let me just show you an example with my own. Okay. Okay. So normally what happens, right, is that you will get the calendar, then only you go to the form, right? But I like to shift it. Okay. Now I like to shift it because this is what Jeremy Haynes say. Okay. It's like it's better to shift it, right? Where the form becomes before the calendar. This way, even if they didn't book the appointment, at least they can fill up their lead, and at least I collect their lead, even if they didn't book the appointment. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So that's one thing. And then like you can redirect to another URL, etc. Okay. You can even accept payments, like if they want to book an appointment, they have to pay, etc. Okay. And then you can do like notifications like that as well. Okay. So I can do like if they booked an appointment, then I want to send the contact this email. Okay. And then I can like customize everything. Okay. And I can also say I want to send the salesperson this email, the assigned user is a salesperson. Okay. And then I also want to receive an email sent to myself after, whenever an appointment is booked, so that at least I know who booked an appointment. Okay. And for me, I even do it like I will know who's the team member who is supposed to get an appointment and all that. And I also know like the source, like where did the lead come from, which campaign is it from, which ad set, which ad, which referral, which Facebook ID, which Google ID. and then the last source and all that. Yeah, so it's like way more information than if I just used Calendly or Cal.com. Okay. And I can also send WhatsApp messages. Like after they book an appointment, immediately they receive a WhatsApp message, something like that. Okay. And then I also receive a WhatsApp message. And then they also will receive a WhatsApp message, etc. Okay. If they cancel the appointment, they will get email, in-app WhatsApp as well. Okay. Oh, another thing is that GoHighLevel has an app. Okay, everyone please write this down. GoHighLevel has an app. Okay. So if you download this app called High Level, right? So I have this app where I can access all the conversations and all that on my app itself. Make sense? So I don't need to like log into my computer in order to reply messages, etc. And I will also receive notifications if let's say I choose that in-app. Okay, so the assigned user is will get it. Maybe I also will get it. Okay, that means whenever an appointment is booked, I will receive a notification on my app. Understand? Yeah. So I will receive WhatsApp, email, and notification. I can also configure that I receive an SMS I when there's a new appointment booked, etc. Okay. Um Okay, so you can allow cancellation of meeting and then the widget appearance, etc. Okay, so you can do calendars using this. And if let's say you have like service menu, rooms, equipment, like let's say you have a therapy business and then you have like certain equipment, etc. You can uh you can round robin it accordingly. Okay. Okay. So that's calendars. And then you can one shot see all your calendars. Okay. So example, yeah, you can see all your calendars at one go lah. Okay, how many appointments you have, etc. Okay. Then the next thing is contacts. So like you can see all the contacts that you have. Okay. You can see their name, email, and whatever form questions that they fill up. What's their source, where they came from, whether they came from Facebook or YouTube, etc. All of them are visible. When did they come in? Which which yeah, whichever webinar they registered for, etc. Okay. Nisa, I see you talking. Are you talking to me? Or because you're muted? Yeah, I see you opening your mouth, but I don't know if you're talking to me or anything. Okay, anyway. So the next thing is payments, right? So you can create payments using GoHighLevel. So you can create like an invoice that automatically bills them every month. So rather than asking them to pay monthly, you can just do this and then it automatically bills them every month. Okay. Okay. The next thing is AI Studio. Okay. So example, if I want to build a funnel, I can just say like build a funnel, okay, uh to whatever. Okay. Okay. So example, this was the funnel that I built. Okay. So let me show you the prompt. Okay. So all I did was I want to model after this funnel, AISecretschallenge.com, but I want to promote my own challenge funnel, which is about high ticket sales. Use the proven template and create a similar funnel for high ticket sales. And then it built the whole thing, okay? And then connect all forms to CRM tracking and everything, okay? So in just 2 prompts, I built this entire website. Is it pretty nice? If it's nice, type nice in the chat, okay? So this is the whole website that I built. I've watched one high ticket closer outsell an entire 12-person sales team with a high ticket AI secret nobody else in the room knew. You're about to master it too. This is how you close 10K to 100K deals in 2026. From the sales strategists who engineer over $500 million in high ticket transactions, we extracted our extra closing scripts and all that, and premium offer architectures and handed them to you, so you can build a 7-figure high ticket revenue engine in just 5 days. And then there's a video here, what best describes you, and then this goes on automatically. And then day 1 you learn this, day 2 you learn this. Is it nice? If it's nice, type nice in the chat. Okay, I think it's not bad. Okay, for 2 prompts, okay, literally took me like 1 minute to write the prompt. Okay, the prompt is just literally I want to model after this funnel, but I want to promote my own. This was the prompt. Okay, I just write in English. Okay, strong CRM. Okay, yeah, I see your type strong CRM. Okay, very good. Okay, and this one, like, you can create like apps also. You can create dashboard as well. Okay, you can create like like I created this funnel. Okay, where I just say like build a page that gets people to book a free one-to-one coaching call with Team Alaric. Okay, so you're 1 call away from making more money. Book my free strategy call. Yeah. And then if you want to make any edits, you just prompt the AI and then it will edit for you accordingly. So this is known as vibe coding, where literally you just talk to the AI and then it just codes everything for you. Okay. Is that powerful? If that's powerful, type powerful in the chat. Okay. The next thing is the AI agents. Everyone please write this down. AI agents. Okay. Okay. Under AI agents, right, there's Agent Studio, Voice AI, Conversation AI, and content AI. Okay, I'm gonna explain to you each one. Okay, everyone please write down AI agents, and then everyone please write down Agent Studio. Okay, okay. So let me show you an example of what's an Agent Studio. So yesterday I created these super agents. Okay, so I can create an agent to do anything in this business. Okay, so example. Build me an agent that follows up with leads who haven't replied in 3 days. Create an agent that tags new contacts as VIP when their deal value is over 10K. Make an agent that handles inbound chat questions using my knowledge base and hands off complex ones to a human. So, for example, I can do a knowledge-based agent, okay, or a community moderator. So it moderates things in my community. I can do an email campaign, okay, so it can draft email campaigns and everything. I can do a AI agent that can automatically post to social media for me. Is that pretty powerful? If that's powerful, type powerful in the chat. Okay, okay. So I show you an example. Yesterday I created this email campaign agent. Okay, and then um, I said I want to create an email to promote this link. Okay, then all I did right was I okay. So I created this. Okay, and I want to write an email to promote this. Okay, so I say I want to create an email to promote this link. Okay, so I just press send me a test email to Alaric_Ong@hotmail.com. Okay, so just by doing this, it will read through the whole thing, and then it is already integrated with like whichever AI it uses to create the thing. Okay, okay, let me just wait for it to continue. Okay, so now it's drafting the email and everything, okay? And then it's gonna give me the subject lines, the preview text and everything, okay? Okay. And let's say I want to, okay, so I show you an example of what it created for me. Okay, yesterday I did this, and some of you received my email yesterday, okay? And the email was completely created with AI, okay? So let me show you an example. Uh, yeah, let me find it first. Okay. Can you all see my screen? If you can see my screen, type. Can you see the upload method, etc.? Okay. So it created this email for me automatically. Okay. Hi, Alaric Ong. Our affiliates have been paid 4,000 plus from just 3 events. They didn't speak. They didn't hold. Some of them never even walked in the room. They copied the message we gave them, posted into groups of people, and got paid when those showed up. That's the whole job. Here's why the math works in your favor. Blah 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 blah. And then when people click this link, they go to the landing page that I want them to go to. Okay, all done by AI. Is that powerful? How many of you agree? How many of you think this email is quite nice? If you think it's nice, type nice in the chat. Okay. So it created everything for me, and all I have to do is just press one button to schedule the email or send the email to my whole list. Okay. So and this was the problem. Like literally all I did was I say, like, write an email to promote this. And then it creates the whole thing. And then it write the email and everything for me. Okay. Okay. So that's the email campaign builder, okay? Okay. So I also created one for social media posting where because I already connected my Instagram, my Facebook, my YouTube, my TikTok, and my LinkedIn to this AI, okay? So example is like create a picture and a written post to promote my free 2-day high ticket sales challenge. Ask them to comment the word free if they want to come, if they want to attend. Okay, it for free. Okay. Maybe then I can add, let's say my picture. Okay, so let's say include a picture of me in the image. Okay, something like that. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, so I just press enter. Okay, so now it's generating the image and everything. Okay, while this is loading, okay, I just show you other things inside the software. So we just let it load first. Okay, so under AI agents, right? So like the agent studio, it can create actions throughout the whole thing. Like you want to send emails, you want to send WhatsApp messages, you want to send SMSs. It can trigger the workflow to trigger the WhatsApp message, the SMSs, etc. So example, like if you want to say like create a what to follow up leads automatically to set appointments with them, it can do that as well. Okay, so this is known as a super agent. Can everyone write in the chat? Super agent. Okay. Okay. The next type of agent, right? So whatever I've been showing you is super agents. Okay. This email example of a super agent as well. Okay. The social media content is also an example. Quite nice, right? Okay. Then I say, okay, you know, I'm giving away, stop scrolling. I'm giving away free access to my 2-day high ticket sales challenge, and I want you in it. Okay. LinkedIn, I'm opening up free spots for my 2-day high ticket sales challenge. Threads, want to learn high ticket sales for free. TikTok. Okay. Okay. So now I say, okay, post to Instagram. Okay, let's say post to Instagram, LinkedIn, Threads. Okay, so let's say just these three platforms lah. Because I think TikTok I need to post a video or something, and then YouTube I think I also need to post a video. Okay, so now it's creating the whole thing for me. Okay, I can even upload my video inside. Ask it to post it for. Anyway, so that's a super agent. Okay, okay. The next type of agent is called voice AI. Everyone, please write it down. Voice AI. It's also known as an AI caller. Okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate to you their voice AI capabilities. Super agent, super agent, super agent. Okay. Yeah, so this email new feature is quite a new feature. Like I think it only came out in the last 1-2 weeks. Yeah. Most people using GoHighLevel still don't really know about it yet. Yeah. Okay. So this voice AI, okay. So I can create, let's say, a AI caller. Okay. So this is an AI caller that I created. And it can book appointments automatically. And I tested it, it works. Okay. So like I can choose the voice. Okay. So let's say this voice, I chose I searched by Singapore. Okay. Oh no, sorry. I search over here. Under accents, right? I selected Singapore accent. Okay. So I show you an example of the call. Okay, so that y'all can see. Normally I can do a phone call and then call myself, but because I want y'all to hear clearly, so I'll do a web call. Okay. So that y'all can hear how the whole appointment goes.
Hi, is this Alaric?
Yes, this is Alaric.
Hi, Eric. Nice to meet you. You registered for our webinar. Are you looking to book the free coaching call to map out the automated high ticket sales system?
Yes.
Got it, Eric. I'll pull up some slots for you now. I have available options on 5th August at 9 p.m. and 11 o'clock p.m., and on 6th August at 12 o'clock a.m., 8 o'clock a.m., or 12 o'clock p.m. Which works better for you?
5th August at 9 p.m.
You're all set, Eric. Your coaching call is booked for Friday, August 5th at 9 p.m. Asia, Kuala Lumpur time. Quick check. I have your phone number 85995672. Is that correct?
Yes, correct.
Great. All set. Your slot on Friday, August p.m. is confirmed. And yes, I have your phone number 85995672. Anything else you'd like before we wrap up?
That's all. Thank you.
Great. I'm glad I could help, Eric. If you need anything else, just say the word.
Okay. And it automatically end the call by itself after it finished the task. Okay. Was that pretty powerful? If that's powerful, type powerful in the chat. Okay. So you see that it sounds like Singaporean, like because I chose a Singaporean voice. Okay. And right after I did that, right? Okay, I'm actually already receiving a WhatsApp message to confirm that the appointment at 5 o'clock, 9 p.m. Like it literally books as though someone scheduled on my calendar on GoHighLevel. Okay. So I already received my email, my WhatsApp message, and email and WhatsApp message to confirm the appointment. Okay. Yeah. There's other things. So like during the call, I can book appointments, right? And then it's the booking behavior, asking them for their phone number or days of ahead, buffer between slots, etc. And then after the call, okay, what kind of actions do I want them to take after the call? I can trigger a workflow after the call, or transfer the call to someone, or send them an SMS, or do a custom action, or add an MCP. Yeah. And then I can put in my knowledge bases and all this other stuff. Right? You go and explore yourself, okay? But you get to see that it's really quite powerful. Okay. Okay. The next thing is conversation AI. Okay. So voice AI is AI caller, right? Okay. Okay. Conversation AI is more of like messages and all that lah. Okay. Okay. Um. Okay. So everyone, please write this down. Conversation AI. Okay. So it's also known as AI chatbot, lah, right? Yeah. The first one is called AI caller. It's like voice AI. It's like AI caller. Okay. Okay. So you see this whole post, right? Okay, let me show you. Let me show you my threads. Let me show you my Instagram as well. And let me show you my LinkedIn. Okay. Can you see all I did was I just created a prompt like that, right? Okay. And then when I log into my profile, boom, the whole thing was created already. Written for me with the nice image and everything. Is that pretty good? If that's good, type good in the chat. Okay. And this threads, right? And then Instagram. Let's see. Boom. Done. Can you see? It just got posted 4 minutes ago. Okay. Yeah. And then LinkedIn. If you have a software like that, it's at least gonna be about $500 a month or what, $1,000 a month just to do something like that. Okay. But this can as well. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So you can see it's posted on LinkedIn as well. Okay. Okay, next thing. And yeah, when you do this together with Brandon's AI agents and everything, boom, you're gonna you're gonna go so fast. Yeah. Especially when he shows you how like builds it together with you. Okay. Okay. The next thing is wow, this is super powerful. Like I'm also impressed. Okay. Okay, the next thing is AI chatbots. Okay, so this is called conversation AI, where you can actually create chatbots. Okay. So like I created this chatbot, okay, and it's a chat version of it's a chatbot lah, okay, that is for me, I integrated this with WhatsApp. I can also integrate this with Instagram. I can also integrate this with for example, I think TikTok is also possible. Okay, I'm not 100% sure. Okay. But I know WhatsApp, SMS, email, um, Telegram, all these all definitely doable. Okay, okay. Uh, Let me see. I don't know why mine like not loading. Don't know why it's like not loading. But basically, it's like a chatbot, okay? So where you can integrate a chatbot and then automatically set appointments. And how it works is that if anyone books an appointment, it will automatically schedule on your Go High Level and all that as well. Okay? Okay. But I don't know why, for some reason, maybe because I'm on Zoom or something, I cannot share it with you. Okay? Yeah. Or it's just lagging somehow. Okay. But you get the point, okay. So the next one is marketing. Okay. So this is where you can connect your social media calendar. Okay. Like you can connect your social media profiles and you can plan out your entire social planner. So you can plan out like all the content to post on your threads, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, and it automatically posts one shot to all five. And you can schedule it for like 1 month later. Like you can schedule your next 30 days of content automatically using the social planner. Okay. You can also send emails using Go High Level. So like I can send like tens of thousands of emails one shot to my warm leads and everything. Okay. So like nowadays, I've been using Go High Level to send my emails. So you can see all these emails are all being sent from Go High Level. Okay. Okay. So you can see that, yeah, so like I sent over 91,114 emails, and then etc. Okay. Snippets are basically, yeah. Okay. Like I can create a snippet like a SMS or something. Okay. Okay. There's this thing called Affiliate Manager where you can like create affiliates and then affiliates can promote your stuff and all that kind of stuff. Okay. There is also this thing called brand boards where you can like put all your brand boards so that you can put like what's your logo, your color scheme, so that any of your team members can easily follow your logo, etc. So we can create our AI call agent on GHL. Yes, amazing. Yes, correct. You can. Okay. So can you use GHL as a social media management tool too? Yes. Okay. So yeah, Freedom Funnels Coach. It can be a social media management tool as well. Okay. Ilara asked how to integrate email addresses into GHL. So to add everyone's email address is to add them inside your contacts. Let's say you got 10,000 contacts, right? So you can add all of them into your Go High Level. You can even connect your Google Calendar, your Google Contacts, and it will one shot sync all the things to your Go High Level. Okay. Now, to create your email on Go High Level, later I'll show you like you have to set up your email to send emails from your domain and all that. Okay. 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 The next thing is this thing called Ad Manager. Everyone please write this down. Ad Manager. Okay. So Ad Manager is you can integrate your Facebook ad account and your Google ad account, and the AI can run ads for you automatically. Good or no good? Okay. So like it can, you can really create things on Google High Level. You just connect your Facebook, your LinkedIn, and then it will help you to like create all the if I'm not wrong, it'll create the pixels and all that for you. It'll create the campaigns for you. And then let's say you create a lead form on Facebook, right? It will automatically sync that lead form to your Go High Level such that when someone fills up a lead form on Facebook, straight away it will go into your CRM and then you can immediately call them via your AI caller or WhatsApp them or email them or SMS them automatically. You can create the workflows and everything. Okay. Understand? Okay. So it's called Ads Manager. And you can even like integrate your Google account or your Facebook account, etc. So if you want to run YouTube ads, whatever, you can use this. And it's free. It's included when you use Lucas Go's Go High Level. Okay. Okay. The next one is automation. Okay. Okay. So everyone please write down automation. So you can create a workflow. Okay. So for example, wow, today my whole thing is like damn laggy. Okay. I've never seen something so laggy before. And my internet speed is a 10 Gbps Wi-Fi and everything. Anyway, if this goes on, I might need to change to hotspot. Okay, so this automation, let me just change my hotspot. I'm on 5G, shouldn't lag. But now I got 5G on my mobile and like I get like 1 Gbps using my mobile data, so it's quite fast. Okay, anyway. Like I use a 8 EIGHT and then it's like $10.80 a month and then like you get damn fast. Yeah, okay, so it looks so much faster. Okay, anyway. So example, I can create an automation, right? Where when people register for my webinar, for example, okay? So I synced Go High Level, I synced Webinar Kit to Go High Level. So the moment someone register, then they will receive a WhatsApp message that says like, registration confirmed. Hi, your registration is confirmed. This is the date. This is the webinar link. Looking forward to seeing you. Okay, and then I created like 1 day before any webinar. Send them this automated WhatsApp message, etc. Okay, you can send automated emails, automated WhatsApp messages, automated SMS, automated AI caller to call them. All can be done. Okay, this is the 1 day before any webinar. Okay, I'll show you how to set it up. Okay, who here wants to see how I set it up? It's a bit technical, but I think you understand. You want to learn? Yes? Okay, so let me show you an example. So let's say I have a... Okay, so when you click on the other tab, right? Then you scroll down and you go to... You'll see connect new integration. And then you go and connect your high level to your webinar kit. Okay. Note that you need to have your solo webinar kit account in order to connect your high level. Because if you use a shared account that's shared among my clients, one webinar kit account can only connect to one GoHighLevel account. Okay. So if your webinar kit is a shared account, then it's not fair if like you are the one using the GoHighLevel and then everyone else doesn't get to use GoHighLevel, right? So you need a solo account. Okay. Now, let's say once you have it, right? So high level, right? So I connected already. So I dropped this down. So I can do like, when someone registers for this webinar, apply the following text separated by commas and trigger this workflow. So that means when someone registers for this webinar, they will trigger this workflow over here called any webinar kit registered WhatsApp confirmation. Make sense? So the moment they register, they will trigger that workflow. Okay. And I can tag the lead as well, like, oh, any webinar kit registered. Okay. Then over here, 1 day before any webinar. Oh, okay, by the way, I'm going to change this tag to Zoom AI class. Okay. Okay, next. So 1 day before any webinar, trigger this workflow. I don't need to add any text if I don't want to tag the lead or anything. Okay. So it will trigger this workflow and send this WhatsApp message, see you tomorrow. Okay. And then 30 minutes before any webinar, send them this. Okay, so it will trigger this workflow, which is adding a WhatsApp message over here. Okay. There's more advanced things that you can do as well. Like you can create like 3 hours later, send them another WhatsApp message. 5 hours later, send them another thing. 6 hours later, send them another thing, etc. Okay, so that one no problem. Okay, but you get the point. I can create like a waiting time, and then 3 hours later, send them something, etc. Okay, so that's how you configure everything, right? And webinar kit it works very well with GoHighLevel. They are like best friends. Okay, so 2 days before the webinar, send them these. 1 day before the webinar, trigger this workflow. 3 hours before, 30 minutes before. When someone attends the webinar, trigger this workflow and tag them. If they didn't attend the webinar, tag them or trigger this workflow. If they watch 25%, tag them or trigger this workflow. If they watch 50%, if they watch 75%, if they watch 100% of the webinar, when someone clicks the webinar offer, add this tag and this workflow. If they did not click, add this tag and this workflow. After the webinar, do this workflow. 1 day after the webinar, do this workflow. 2 days after the webinar, do this workflow. 3 days after the webinar, do this workflow. If they watch the replay, send them this workflow. If they did not watch the replay, send them this workflow. If they click any outbound button on the replay page, apply the following text. Okay. If the registrant did not click any outbound button on the replay page, then apply this text. So like everything is like super, like damn streamlined. Okay. They're like really best friends. Okay. Damn powerful. If you use the webinar from GHL, it can be added in the automation, right? If you use the webinar from GHL, I don't understand this question. Like if you use the webinar from GHL, like GHL also has its own webinar, but okay, the benefit of using webinar kit, right, is that when people register for a webinar, let's say they register for a webinar on 9 August, 1 p.m. The webinar video will only play on 9 August, 1 p.m., right? Whereas if, okay, so that's one, and then they will receive automated emails before the webinar. So everything is configured with the timing and everything perfectly. Whereas if you do it on GoHighLevel and like let's say you create an event called 9 August 1 p.m., then you have to manually create an email that's like 8 August to send them see you tomorrow, and then 7 August send them this email. Like you have to manually create. Then if you create a new event on maybe 11 August, then you need to create a new event and then you need to create new automations before that. So it's a little bit more complicated if you use that compared to using Webinar Kit. Understand? Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So it's the workflows. Like you can really create a lot of workflows, and you can even build the workflow using AI. Like if you're not familiar how to use a workflow, you just click on build using AI, and then it will create a workflow for you. Okay. Yeah, and it can be integrated with a lot of things like SMS, WhatsApp, AI caller. Like it can be integrated to your Google Sheet. It can be like you want to tag the lead, add them to a course. Like there's so many settings inside the workflow. Okay. Okay. The next thing is sites. Okay. So one thing I like about Go High Level is that you can create your own uh slides. You can create your own you can use AI uh to create a what do I want to say? To create a page. Okay. So for example, okay. So recently I've been testing this. I created all these pages all purely using AI. Okay. So I created this first page over here. Okay. Which is just the calendar only. Okay. Okay. So this is just the first page. Okay. Okay. Then I also created this where this whole thing was created with AI, and then it asked people to book a call, basically. Okay. And then I also created this, which is the third version, where this one I put the testimonials below. Okay, so you see at the bottom, there's testimonials. Okay, and then I also created this one where it has the same thing, and it has a video, and then the testimonials as well. Okay, yeah. And then I also have like, okay, so how do I create all these, right? It's very simple. There is also an AI builder inside Go High Level. So okay, I'll show you an example. So let's say I just choose any random. Okay, so let's say I create a new step. Okay, test demo. Okay, if there's another quick funnels funnel or quick funnels 2.0 funnel, you can just type the link over here and you can import the entire funnel from them into your Go High Level account. Okay, so it's like the fastest way to funnel hack someone. Okay, okay. But anyway, I just want to show you an example. Yeah, so you can just copy and paste someone's ClickFunnels account into your Go High Level. Okay, so that's one thing. Okay. The next thing is this. Let's say you click on create from blank. Okay, so I got blank page over here, right? Okay, so let's say I want to create a sales page. So I can click on build. Oh, okay, I can click on assist and I fill up all these details. Okay, and then you click on customize and it will generate the entire website for you. Or I also can click on build and I say like build a webinar registration page for my webinar, how to attract high ticket clients effortlessly by, okay, okay. And just press send, okay? And then it will just go and build and everything lah. Okay, so there's AI inside their builder as well. Like Go High Level uses so much AI in everything. Like even the automation got AI, AI caller, AI WhatsApp, AI SMS, AI conversations, AI. Everything is using AI. Okay, okay. So I'm just gonna let it load. Okay. So while letting it load, I'm just gonna put it over here, and then while it's building, let's continue. Okay, so that's workflow. Okay, so now we have done sites, right? So you can create funnels, you can create websites, you can create stores, you can also create webinars on Go High Level. Okay, you can create the entire webinar funnel through Go High Level, and then there's analytics. Okay, so for example, I can see that I got 13.9 thousand page views, 88 opt-ins, right, in the last few days, right? But if I look at the last 30 days, I have like what? 17.8 thousand page views. Okay, yeah. And then I can see like, okay, these are the list of the funnels, and then these are IP addresses, these are traffic by device type, the browsers, where are they from? Okay, Singapore, Malaysia, etc. My acquisition data, and then the average time, video engagement, etc. Okay, you can also create blogs using Go High Level. You can integrate with your WordPress as well. If let's say you have a WordPress website. And then there's client portal as well. Okay, so let's say there's a client portal, you can create like your own uh, dashboard. Okay, like you can edit this portal URL, and like people can log in to like assess your courses or your communities, etc. And if you can even have your own app, okay, where you can have your own branded app. But this one you need to pay extra. I think it's like $297 a month or something. I'm not sure. Let me check. Yeah. So it's $79 a month. So cheap. Okay, $79 per month. You can have your own app. Okay, where people can create their community and all that. Okay. Yeah. Then there's forms. Okay, so you can create forms using GoHighLevel. You can create surveys. So you can create like a question by question survey, etc. Okay. And then there's quizzes. And you can create a chat widget. Okay, so example of how a chat widget looks like, right? You can create a chat widget. So example, this is a chat widget that appears on your website, for example. And then you ask them like, hi there, I have a question, chat with us here. Something like that. Make sense? Okay. So you can create a chat widget. So example, let's say if I want to have a SMS or email, voice AI, okay. Yeah, so I can create, I can integrate this chat widget to my voice AI agent that I created just now, so that if they click on chat with voice, they will call my AI and then automatically it will set an appointment with them. Okay. Okay. So I can even create QR codes. Okay. If by the way, for those of you that just came in, okay, and you missed out on how to get this software, this is the link. Okay, alaric.site/ff. Okay. I can create you can create your own domains and all that. Okay. And then you can create your own memberships. So let's say you create your own courses, your own communities, and you can send people certificates automatically as well. Okay. Then you can store media as well. So let's say you got any videos, images you want to store, you can store them over here. There's also reputation management where like you can create software. You can create like a link that let's say you want to collect people's video testimonial. So you can create a collector, and then like we love to hear from you, and then ask them to like just record a video of what of them, etc. So they can record or upload, and then yeah, thank you page, all done, etc. So you can collect video testimonials using this. Okay, yeah, okay. Anyway, then there's reporting. So you can see all the custom reports, like how do your Google ads do, your Facebook ads do, your attribution report, etc. Okay. And okay, so to answer Ilara's question about how to set up the email, you have to click on email service. Okay, so you have to click on settings first, and then click on email services. And then from here, you can create your own SMTP, and then you click on dedicated domain and everything. And then you click on add domain, and then you integrate your own like domain. You just follow their steps. Okay. If you don't know anything, you can ask like the support, or you can ask Lucas Go to guide you. Okay. Yeah, then you can, that's how I put my own email to create the thing. Okay. Domain configuration, etc. Reply and forward settings, so it can be like people will reply to me, and then this is the email analytics, and then the risk assessment, bounce classification, etc. Okay, so this is the email. Okay. Okay, how do you set up WhatsApp? You click on settings, and then you click on WhatsApp, and then you can integrate a WhatsApp number. Okay, but the WhatsApp, right, has to be a new WhatsApp number. Oh, okay. It's possible. Okay, there's two types of WhatsApp, right? You can either create a WhatsApp that is something that's already used inside an app. Like let's say you already have a WhatsApp number that you're already using, and you can integrate that to GoHighLevel. That's called coexistence. Okay, everyone write this down? Coexistence. That means they exist together. Okay. Or coexistence, coexistence. Okay. Okay. The second type is a brand new WhatsApp number. You just buy a new SIM card, then you put the new number. So that number is not already being used in WhatsApp, and then you create a brand new number. So like this number 85995672 is not used in WhatsApp yet. Okay. So only it's used only in my GoHighLevel account. Yeah. Okay. And for WhatsApp, right, you need to create templates, because WhatsApp, and this is a policy set by WhatsApp, Facebook, okay, is that if you have not messaged the user in the last 24 hours, or if they've not replied you, right, you need to send them a templated WhatsApp message, which means you need to get approved for this template first, and you can only send them these approved template WhatsApp messages. You cannot you cannot initiate a new message to them unless it is a templated WhatsApp message. Make sense? Okay. Yeah. And then yeah, you can do WhatsApp calls by clicking here and then calling, then you can set it up. Okay. Okay. There's also phone system. So like how come I can call using GoHighLevel, right? It's because I can buy a number. So I bought this number, okay, so that I can do calls. Okay. I know this is a American number. Okay, one bad thing about GoHighLevel, and this is not because of GoHighLevel, this is because of Twilio, but you can only find numbers that are, let's say, from Malaysia, okay, or let's say from United States, etc. So like this number I buy from Malaysia, okay. So it's $4.40 per month to get this number, okay. Whereas if let's say I get the number from United States, then it's like $1.26. So I bought this number from United States, okay. Singapore, they don't have any numbers because the Singapore government doesn't allow this like buying of like Singaporean numbers. So if you buy a number from Singapore, it can only be like a +653 something. So instead of +658 something or 9 something, it will always be a 3 something. Yeah. Okay. So just letting you know one limitation that you just cannot buy a Singaporean number through GoHighLevel. Okay. Yeah, that's basically all I have to share with you. Like the rest are just things that you explore. Like you can create domain URL redirects, so you can, yeah, and then external tracking, and then like integrations. You can integrate Google Calendar, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Instagram, Google Lead Ads, Shopify or whatever. And then you can do a private integration. Like you can integrate your GoHighLevel to Manus, or you can integrate your GoHighLevel to Claude. Okay, and then you type a prompt in Claude, right? And then it will write emails for you in GoHighLevel, or you type a prompt in Claude and then it can build a landing page for you in GoHighLevel. So that's possible as well. Okay. So it's a very powerful tool. Okay. And like I feel that it's important that I teach you about this so that so that you're on the cutting edge, okay? Because I would feel that you'll be disadvantaged if you don't have this powerful tool in your what, okay? Some people say, oh, but $97 a month is expensive. I mean, it's like $97 a month to run a business that has all these features is really not expensive. It's honestly not expensive. I mean, it's up to you, like it depends, okay? Yeah, but like for me, it's not expensive, but yeah, okay, cool. Did you all get value from today's session? If you all got value, type value in the chat, okay? The decimal collection part similar like social juice, which I use that now can switch to GoHighLevel. Yeah, so like probably for all the different softwares you have, just Aweber, okay, like email marketing, it can cost you like $100+ per month. Just WhatsApp can cost you, let's say you use Wati. Wati is $99 a month. If you're just getting a funnel builder like ClickFunnels is $147 a month. Just getting a Calendly is $27 a month. Like the job form, type form, etc. is like what, $55 per month or something. Then doing like AI caller, okay, Awas, it can be like $27 a month to $97 a month. If you add all these together, GoHighLevel, if you really fully use the features, is worth it. Okay. So Marilyn says yes, very good. Value. Steve says value. Ilara says value. Jaina says value. Okay, great. Cool. So anyone has any questions? Okay, so now let's do some hot seats. Okay. So first of all, I'm gonna okay, you'll probably have some questions. Like you can ask me like, can this do this or whatever. And yeah, feel free to ask me questions. Anyone, you can unmute yourself. Okay, so Tony asked, how do we use this to set up for other businesses? Okay, so for other businesses, right, what I recommend is that you can create different sub accounts inside one account. Okay, so for example, like you can ask Lucas to create different sub accounts for you. So like Rev22 Integer is one business. Time Trader Max is one business. These are two of my, like Rev22 Integer is my mom. Time Trader Max is my client, right? So I can control his GoHighLevel through my account because I'm a staff in his account. Yeah, makes sense. Oh yeah, another thing, right, is that one thing I like about GoHighLevel is that you can click on settings and my staff, right, and you can assign the users. So like I can add a user and I can choose their permission. Like I want them to be able to access AI agents, account settings, AI studio automation. I can choose like, I don't want them to access my leads. So I can turn off so they cannot access my leads. can they access my conversations? They can access these, cannot, so I can choose what they have access to. That's one very powerful thing about GoHighLevel. Yeah. Okay. It's not cheap anymore to have a full business suite online these days. 97 per month is doable. Yeah, correct. Yeah, it's cheaper than it's cheap lah. Okay. What kind of business best used for this? It is more for online coaching course. Okay, so all kinds of businesses can use this. Like even they have a physical brick and mortar business, they can use this. Okay, like the SMS, email, WhatsApp, all this will all be relevant for them. Okay, even if let's say they have a e-commerce business, they can use this. Let's say they sell physical products, they can sell products using the shop on GoHighLevel, right? So example, they can create a store, they can create an e-commerce store, using and then add products and all that on GoHighLevel itself. Okay. But they also can create funnels using GoHighLevel. So like any kind of business can use GoHighLevel and can benefit from GoHighLevel. Okay. Derek say, can I say that once we subscribe to GHL, we can't switch or unsubscribe all the AI chatbot website or AI agent or database is hosted in GHL, even if a cheaper or better CRM appears in future? I mean, let's say you put your AI agent or whatever over here, okay? And let's say maybe one day there's another alternative that's cheaper or better, then you can just swap over. Like you can always unsubscribe anytime, right? Yeah, you don't have to subscribe to this for the rest of your life, right? But I would say as of now, this AI is very cutting edge because like it's integrated with my calendar and everything. Can you imagine like if let's say I use another chatbot, right? That's not integrated with my calendar, then he cannot find when I'm available, then he anyhow book appointments for me, Whereas this one, it can automatically book appointments correctly for me. Yeah. Okay. Tony says this is massive, any service business. Yes, correct. Okay. Cool. Yeah, so there's so many features inside here. Okay. Okay. JST asked, sorry, I'm a bit confused. It is GoHighLevel or Freedom Funnel Coach? Okay, so I repeat one more time. Okay. So Freedom Funnel Coach is the white label of GoHighLevel. Okay. So to get GoHighLevel, you go to alaric.site/ff. Okay. Okay. So this is a white label, okay, and you're getting it through Lucas Go, okay, which is one of our mastermind members. He's paying every month to GoHighLevel in order to use their software. Make sense? Okay. So he can create unlimited accounts because he pay a big sum of money every month. So rather than you buy directly from GoHighLevel, okay, you might as well buy from Lucas, because if you buy from Lucas, number one, he's inside the mastermind, he can guide you, technical support and all that. If you buy directly from GoHighLevel, there's no one to support you. Okay. Number two, so that Lucas can earn money. Okay, rather than you subscribe to GoHighLevel, the money can go to Lucas instead, right? Number three is because you get more features when you use the Lucas one. Yeah, because the GoHighLevel normally, if you buy GoHighLevel pricing, it will be like 297 a month or even 497 per month. Make sense? Yeah. So that's basically that. Cool. Okay, any other questions? So Lucas is the reseller or affiliate program for GoHighLevel, yeah? Somewhat. So he's like the white label. He white label the software. White label means like you take a software, you put your branding on top. So it's GoHighLevel, right? But he put Freedom Funnels Coach, his custom domain as a branding on top of it. Yeah. Okay. So GHL, our sub accounts are able to link our own WhatsApp and CRM. Yes. Okay. So like this one is a sub account as well, but I can link WhatsApp, CRM, everything. Okay. Take note, get from Lucas will save you all the headaches. Yes, correct. Okay. Yeah. Question: are all the leads or customer CRM data uniquely mine? Yes. Okay. So only you can see your leads and your customers inside your own account and all that. Yeah. Unless they give you access to the thing. Yeah. So like the only way you can give someone else access to your customers and all that is if okay, let me show you. So let's say when you click on my stuff, okay? So if you choose to give access to your contacts, then you turn this on. Okay? But if you don't want to give them access to your contacts, then you turn this off. So it depends on who is the one managing your account. Is it someone that you trust or not? Is it just an agency or is it a full-time employee in your team? Is it you or your business partner or what? Right? So you see whether you want to turn this on or off. Yeah. Okay. Then conversations on or off, etc. Okay. Got it. Thanks for explaining. I had GoHighLevel and very technical little support. Okay. What is the cost of Freedom Funnel per month or annual? Let me check. Okay, you can check yourself. Okay. This is the link. The Freedom Funnels is $97 a month. Yeah. I think their annual plan is like buy 10 months, get 2 months free, something like that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, by the way, just now we created one website, right? Let's see if that website is created already. Okay. Why it looks like that's so weird. Okay, I don't know why it looks so weird. But okay, you start looking from here onwards, okay? So it looks quite okay, okay? This automated, that we created. Yeah. AI created this entire funnel. Not bad, huh? Can improve it, lah. You can just tell it to improve and all that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Anyway. Cool. Any other questions? Good questions, by the way. Okay, anyone wants a hot seat? Anyone? Nisa, do you need a hot seat? Or okay, Marilyn wants a hot seat. Okay, so Marilyn, are you there? If you're there, unmute yourself. Anyone else wants a hot seat? Sulin, you want a hot seat or not? If you want, later you unmute yourself, huh? Okay, if you want, you just say. If Nisa, you want, you just let me know. Or if Drew, if you want, just let me know as well. Okay. Anyway, continue.
Okay. I just thought since you are doing GoHighLevel, let's use mine to try to create a conversational AI. So just now you go a bit fast.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, just now I didn't show the conversation AI because just now it wasn't loading. That's why I didn't show
wait,
it. Yeah.
probably I share my screen.
Yeah, you share your screen. Right now, since when do you buy GoHighLevel?
I got it from Wayne Crown.
Oh, Wayne Crow.
Yeah,
Oh, he also uses
I saw
GoHighLevel.
during a session I will help you to promote and ask all my other
Nice.
groups to attend.
By the way, if you all promote Lucas GoHighLevel, right, he can give you
Mm.
affiliate commissions as well. I think it's like 30 or I think 40% or something like that. You can ask him to create an affiliate link for you and all that. Okay.
Oh, okay. Because my I didn't know. Yeah, so I got it like when I started with him. That was like very long time ago.
Understand.
Yeah.
Okay. So okay, go to the conversations AI. Okay. Cool.
Yeah, here.
Okay. So you want to create a bot, is it, or have you created already?
I have not.
Okay, then click on create bot. Okay, I'm just gonna request remote control in case I need to control the screen. Okay. So normally I like to use prompt-based bot. Okay. Now if you want it to be okay, so there's two types of bots. There's prompt-based bot and flow-based bot. So flow-based bot, right, is like very rigid one. Like if they do this, do this. If they click this button, do this. So it's flow-based. Prompt-based means it's using AI, Okay. So do you want a more rigid structure one or do you want a more like fluid?
More fluid one.
Okay, then click on prompt-based bot. Okay. Then do you want to do general Q&A, appointment booking, marketplace templates, or start from scratch? What's the purpose of this bot you want to create?
Okay, because I want to connect, that means through my TikTok leads that have, then answer the question and can make an appointment.
Okay, then we click on appointment booking because you want to make an appointment. Okay,
Yeah.
then scroll down and press next. Press continue. Yeah, okay. Okay, so you name the bot, okay? So okay, you can name it later also can. Okay. Scroll down. Okay, click on autopilot. Okay, so if you turn off, right, then the bot doesn't work. If you click on autopilot, then it works. Okay, scroll down. Okay, so over here you can choose which channel you want the bot to be on. Okay, so I'm not sure whether it can connect to your TikTok. Okay. Before we do that, right, let me just click on settings. Okay, and let's see if have you integrated your TikTok account to
Yes.
GoHighLevel before? Yes.
Yes.
Anyone else wants to be on a hot seat after this? If you want, let me know so I can allocate the time accordingly. If not, then I'll just spend all this time on Marilyn. Yeah. Okay, so From what it looks like, I think cannot integrate with TikTok, But okay,
Uh,
then like
then what's the closest? Maybe WhatsApp.
WhatsApp can, yeah. WhatsApp,
Uh,
email, SMS, Instagram, Facebook, live chat.
okay,
Chat
because
can
one
also.
thing, right? Just now I checked my account is that I actually didn't subscribe to the WhatsApp because it needs to pay the additional. So if I have not, right, am I still able to create this bot first, or do I need to subscribe already then I can create?
You can create first because other than WhatsApp, there's other avenues like email, SMS. There's we can create the bot first. Then later when you
Okay,
subscribe, then it will automatically.
okay,
Yeah. Okay. So over here they ask like also allow this bot to respond to images and voice notes. That means the bot will be able to like see the images and the voice notes that people send to you and reply accordingly. Okay. Then send bot to sleep when I send a message. That means if let's say you send a manual message, then we want the bot to stop talking so that you can just manually message the lead lah. Okay. Yeah. Workflow message means if something triggered the message, right, then send the bot to sleep. But I don't want to turn it off. So I turn it off lah. Okay.
okay.
So enable response style settings. So concise means like shorter length. Balance means quite balanced. Detail means like very long text. So normally we try concise. Okay. Okay, then just press save. So now the basic settings are done. Okay. Okay. Then you click on bot training. So this is where you train your bot. Okay. Okay. So this way you can add your knowledge base and everything lah. Okay. So example, if there's a specific like Marilyn, if you want some information about yourself, some information about your teaching frameworks, something.
So is it like usually we start by saying hi or whatever, then we continue
No.
the
Knowledge
user?
base is just like a bunch of information about you or your product or your company. In
Oh,
case someone asks like, how long have you been doing TikTok for? The AI
oh,
will know, but if you put in the knowledge base like, oh, Marilyn has been doing TikTok for 5 years, then it will reply, yes, Marilyn has been doing for 5 years.
I
Or
see.
I've been doing for 5 years. Okay.
Okay.
But you can leave it blank if you want. If you don't want, you can just leave it blank. It's just there will be more generic lah. The next thing is the bot goals. Okay.
Oh,
So you are a bot for, and then you can write this down like AI business name. Okay, so you just take your name, which is success wealth or whatever, or you can just say you're a bot for Marilyn. Okay, assist customers. Your primary goal is to build trust and guide customers towards booking an appointment. Okay, so you can just take whatever prompt that they have. Okay, and it should be quite good already lah. Okay, now then over here you need to set up your actions. Okay, so if you want it to be able to book appointments, right? Okay, Nisa asked, can train conversational Malay, not dictionary formal Malay? Yes, you just have to change in the prompt. So example, like I will write in the prompt. So let's say under the prompt, right? I would write something like speak in conversational Malay, not dictionary formal Malay, for example. Okay. Then when I press save, right, then it will speak in conversational Malay instead. Understand? Okay.
so if we say in Chinese also can, is it
Chinese
that
also can.
smart?
Singlish also can. It will type in Singlish. Yeah. Manglish also can. Malay English also can. Yeah. You're right. It'll mix. Okay. Anyway. So if you want it to be able to book appointments, you need to click on appointment booking. Okay. Then you choose which calendar you want it to book it to. So let's say flywheel appointment. Because you only got one calendar, I just choose this one. Okay.
Yeah.
Then press proceed, right? Okay. So don't book appointments. Okay, you can do like don't book appointment, only send the booking link. Or pause bot responses after booking. That means after they book, then pause the bot responses. Okay. Trigger workflow after booking or transfer employee post appointment booking. That means after it book, right, transfer this lead to the employee to ask the employee to follow up. Like you can be the employee lah in your own GoHighLevel account. Okay. So for this one, I think I like to have the appointment just book, without having to send the booking link. Pause bot responses, maybe you want this so that like if they book an appointment, then the bot stops talking and then you can take over. Or do you want to not pause? Marilyn?
Oh, sorry. Uh,
So
allow.
do you want to pause bot responses after booking or no?
Oh, okay. Okay.
So I allow bot to cancel the appointment and allow bot to reschedule the appointment also lah. Okay, so that it makes it
Okay.
easier for you. So you just press save, okay, and now the appointment booking is done already. Okay, okay. So the whole thing is done. Okay, just by clicking the action like that. Okay.
Just now I saw the I think it was asking which AI to use, right? Is the ChatGPT one. So does
Yeah.
it has Claude? I just wondering. Oh, don't have. Okay,
As
then
of
never.
now, no.
Oh,
But
okay.
yeah. But maybe in the future, yes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
No
Okay.
problem.
Anyway, let's continue. So you can also trigger a workflow. Example, like if something happens, then if like if something happens, then I want this workflow to trigger. Okay. Okay. The next one is you can ask for the contact info. So like when they message you questions, then it can update your CRM automatically based on the questions that they answer. Okay.
Oh,
You
Wait.
can also do like stop bot. That means the bot stops. You can do human handover. That means it transfers to a human. Transfer bot means transfer the thing or auto follow up. Okay. So I like to do auto follow up. So what I'll do, right, is I'll enable scenario. Like if the contact stop replying, 15 minutes later, follow up. And then maybe another 2 hours later, follow up again. And then maybe another like 4 hours later, follow up again. So you just keep following up automatically, basically. Okay. So 4 hours. Okay. And then let's say uh another 6 hours after that, then follow up, right? And you can let the AI send the message, or you can send the message. So you can write a custom message. Example like have you, and I purposely put all sentence case so that it looks like it's a human typing instead of a robot typing. Okay. So like have you heard of Alaric flywheel before? Something like that. And then so you can configure this. Okay. I just show you an example. You go and configure yourself. Let AI send a message means the AI will type its own thing. Okay. So I press save. You can also do like if the contact is busy, then these are the follow-up. If the contact requested for follow-up, then do this, etc. Okay. You can also do the follow-up settings like set active hours for follow-up. That means it can only follow up from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You will not go and follow up at 4 a.m. in the morning, etc. Okay. And you can also set like dynamic channel switching. Like that means if let's say the person didn't reply your SMS, it will WhatsApp them. If they didn't reply your WhatsApp, it will email them. That's called dynamic channel switching because it knows that same contact across all the different channels, right? That's why GoHighLevel is so powerful. Okay. So I just press save. Here we are. Okay, so now I created a follow-up. Okay, so now the whole bot is built already. Okay. Now I like to enable conversation summary. So what happens, right, is that if the bot stops talking for 15 minutes, it will you will receive an email notification. Okay, so example like Marilyn, what's your email address?
Yeah.
Okay, success well with me. Okay, so that means every time the chatbot activates, right, you will receive a conversation summary sent to your email.
Oh.
Make sense? So you know
Yeah.
exactly what the AI talk about. Yeah.
Cool.
So that's something you can do. Then like that, right? Then the bot is built ready. Okay. So now this bot is built ready. Okay. Then let's just name this Marilyn's. Okay, we name this like Marilyn appointment center lah.
Yeah.
Okay. So now it's integrated to your email, Facebook, chat widget, etc. Right? Okay. So
What is live chat? That means
live chat is the chat widget lah. Yeah. Okay, let me see an example. So example,
actually have my website done up.
yeah.
You
Can you show
can
me one? Just
you
open
go
up
you
any random website.
click on the website.
Okay.
Does it help there?
Okay, yeah, can.
I
Okay.
don't know how.
So let's say I click on settings. Okay. Okay, so now I click on chat widget first. So I can create a new chat widget. And then it's like all in one chat. Okay. Or it can be a Facebook chat or WhatsApp chat or Instagram chat, etc. But I'm just gonna do all in one chat. And yeah. Okay, so this is the chat, right? Okay, I'll get to all of you for the hot seats, don't worry. Okay. So chat window, okay, and then messaging, and then press agency website URL cannot be blank. Agency website URL. Here we are. Agency website URL. Live chat, that means that you can like talk to your chat widget and then like they can talk directly, you know. Yeah. Okay, this one you need to put in some random put in your website lah if you have. If not, just put a random website.
The link that just now, that website link.
Yeah, anything. I just need to have something so that I can press save.
Oh, you hold on. Where's that link? Yeah. Okay. Done.
Okay. Okay. Okay, then press save.
Oh.
Okay. Okay. So now save already. Okay, so I press back. Then now I go back to website. Cloud AI Accelerator, right? Okay. Settings. Okay. So now under chat widget, it appears. I created a chat widget already. Okay. Okay. So I press save. So now what happens, right, is your website.
Yeah, I don't know why this one. Okay. Earlier on, I was checking.
Do you publish your page?
Yes, I did. But today when I was checking my this site, why?
Oh, I think I know why. Oh, successwealthwithme.site. Okay.
But a bit strange. Today when I was looking at it, the domain name, right? I do not know why it has a cloud dash. It's not the domain name a bit weird, right? Previously I didn't publish it as this.
No, this is the name of your page. So for example, it is correct because okay, show you. So this is the name of your funnel. Like this is your path, Claude dash AI dash accelerator dash course, which is the path of your entire funnel. Okay.
I see.
This is the path of this particular page. Make sense? Okay. And in this page, right, there is this is the page name.
Got it.
Whereas this is the funnel name. Okay.
Got it.
So you can see that this works, okay. But this is the preview page, okay. You probably have to go and check why your
But
why
I've
your
been
this one.
but I've been actually posting it already. I mean, it has been on live.
Yeah, but it's not working.
But
You have to go and
I saw the chat, the box, don't know what box, the chat box just now that you did. Just now I saw.
Yeah, this is the preview. Like when the
Okay.
preview has that, there's some problem with your custom domain.
No
You go
problem.
and check your
I
domain.
can check
Okay?
that one. Can.
But I just want to demonstrate whatever we created. So you okay guys, do you all see that I created her chatbot in 5 minutes? How many of you saw it? If you saw it, type 5 minutes in the chat, right?
So
Like
cool.
literally just a few prompts and then just press save. And then created the whole thing, right? Okay. So now I'm gonna try the chat via live chat. Let's see if this works. Yeah, can you see? Hey, I'm here. What can I help you with today? Looking to book an appointment or have something else in mind? You know? And then he created this whole thing, right?
So
And
if it says book an appointment, right, and the person say yes, does it, or it links to actually just now the appointment page, right, that we have put it in?
yes. So like yes, I want to book. So this is the AI chatbot setting an appointment with me. And this is just the live chat version of it, but it can also be on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, etc. For TikTok, I don't think it's
Never
doable
mind.
yet.
Good
Okay?
improvement.
So let's
I
say for 5 or
something
10
new.
p.m. Okay?
Mm.
So it's booking an appointment already and it's checking the schedule to make sure that it's all correct. Okay? Okay.
This
Can I have your name to confirm the appointment? Alaric. Yeah, so it's done. Then the appointment is booked already. Make sense?
yes. So the next step is so I should actually need to go back to my calendar the appointment to do the like the scheduling of the follow up the writing, is it?
Correct. Yeah. So can you see? Guest visitor
Oh,
Alaric confirmed at 10 p.m. Powerful? Yeah.
yeah,
You can ask for
cool.
more thing like if you want a name, email, phone number, or let's but yeah, you can see like it's auto synced already. Yeah.
Oh, cool. So
Okay.
like this, does it mean so it will actually like sort of like it will prompt to my send a notification to my email, something like that? Or
Yes. But you need to configure that. Yeah. So like you need to configure in your calendar settings that like when someone books an appointment, you will receive like you need to manually configure that. It's not auto one. Like it's not
oh
yeah, you have to manually configure. So like you
at
have to
where?
click on
Oh
let's say notification and qualifier. So when someone book an appointment, you will receive an email. Right? You need to enable like green means enabled. So now it's not enabled. So you know you need to enable like email in-app and WhatsApp, email in-app WhatsApp, email in-app WhatsApp, email
oh
in-app WhatsApp,
so I
so that you
just
will receive
configure this whole
notifications.
page.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's all.
That's all for it.
Correct.
Okay. Cool. Okay,
Okay, can?
great.
Okay, so I
Can.
go for other people. I hope that was
Hmm.
valuable for you. Okay, next person.
Thank
Um,
you.
welcome. I hope you're getting a lot of value from this mastermind. And Merrily,
I
maybe you can share with us one day, like how you are able to close so many sales. Like your affiliate is damn strong. Like you are able to close most affiliates, right? They need to like refer to Ozan, then Ozan can close, or refer to my high ticket sales webinar, then they can close. But for you, you're able to just close directly. Then straight away like, oh, this person paid me in full already. I just transfer to you. So
Yeah,
how do you do that?
yesterday
Yeah.
I had my first time through email campaign, and one person actually it's really totally new to me, but I've been building that lead and she actually paid up
How much she pay?
197.
197. Everyone, let's congratulate
Yeah,
Marilyn in the chat. Everyone
even
say
though she
congrats
didn't take the
Marilyn in the chat.
higher tier lah, but I thought
Okay.
it was a good start because it was through a email campaign that I've been
But
doing
normally
it.
how you close them? Like is it just through live streaming, then people just straight away transfer you 497 for the Facebook like the five hundred
No,
dollars for the Facebook
I
course or what?
usually like I follow your framework lah. So usually to me, right, the live is just like my call. People call me, so I will
Mhm.
actually after that do ask them for a consultation. I
Okay.
will do then that's where I qualified them, and then
Oh, so you do the
before
appointment and then you close. Okay.
yeah
And do you
from
use
there.
the application close when you do the sales appointment?
Yes, but I still feel that I'm still a bit weak in that. I
Okay, but
still
you
need to
still do the
practice
five
more.
step consult application
Yes.
close.
Now
Okay, that's
my
good.
5-step consult, I think I'm quite good at it. It's just
Okay.
that I still weaker in my appointment, the closing part too.
Okay.
I don't know why I don't dare to ask the person straight away. Can you pay me?
No, you
Or
need to say no, you don't ask them that straight away. You are like, do you feel this can help you? How do you think it can help you? What makes you want to get this? Why do you want to get this? Are there any
yeah,
objections? Yeah.
yeah. It's until there that I really felt that actually the person had the buy-in for me. But I felt that it's so hard to say that statement out. Do you like for the deposit? I felt like it's very unnatural. So I I didn't say it. So actually Sunday, I felt that it was a very, I actually prepared a lot, and the person actually like almost buying already. Then I just don't dare to ask, do you give me a deposit amount?
In
So I was like,
in total, how much of sales have you closed so far? Like total, like everything, your Facebook accelerator plus your own course plus your OLSP.
close to a few $1,000 already, like
Okay.
2 to 3K. Oh no,
Definitely
sorry,
more
no,
than that. Like
more
just
than
my
that.
Facebook
Yeah,
accelerator course you already sold 2K, 3K already.
yeah. Then
Plus your
plus,
own one.
yeah, it's almost going to 10K already.
Hey, everyone, let's give her a round of applause.
Yeah,
She hit 10K in sales. Everyone, let's say congrats,
yeah,
Marilyn, on 10K in sales. Okay. Yeah. Hey, you
yeah,
should celebrate this win. Okay. Yeah. And you must share with everyone that you're an introvert. You're an engineer. Hey, you're an engineer or something, right?
yeah,
You're
yeah,
like an employee, never done business before, never. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Anyway, so congrats. Okay. Good.
Yeah, that's why I think GoHighLevel is really very good.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks for
Awesome.
sharing this skill
You're
set,
welcome.
because I'm like waiting for this session.
Yeah, so I know what people want, so like I customize the coaching to like, okay, I think this is what they want to hear, so let's talk about it. Okay, anyway,
Thank you. Thank
welcome.
you.
Okay, let's move on to the next person. So I am Education asks, hot seat question: Have OLSP from Wayne Crow, Affiliate Bootcamp, or Super Affiliate from Russell Brunson need to email affiliate marketing to Success AI, etc.? Okay, so can this be integrated with Prospector's second agent of Brendan Lee's 4 agents and also find more full stack PWA development clients in SG total addressable market TAM? Yeah. So yeah, definitely can be done. And I think, okay, I don't know if Brendan will ask you to get GoHighLevel or whether he will just ask you to use his own software or his own AI agents or something. Okay. But either way, even if you prospect using that, right, it's good to have a CRM so they can keep track of your leads and know like, hey, what this lead did, and tag the lead and send them email blasts and send them WhatsApp blasts, etc. So like um it like it probably will be useful, and you can combine it together with whatever you're currently doing. Yeah. So like you prospect people already, then you save their contact in your CRM, which is GoHighLevel, etc. Make sense? Did that answer your question? If it did, type yes. If it didn't, type no. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna answer other questions and then you just tell me whether I answer your question. Okay, so Sulin asks, hi Alaric, my laptop having hardware issues, so configuring another laptop. After migrating, I'll join your hot seat to do setups. Thanks. Okay, great. Jaina say, like a hot seat for an AI WhatsApp if there's time. Plan to use WhatsApp to announce my official website and draw in queries, leads, and appointment booking. Okay. Jaina, so do you have a GoHighLevel account already? If you have, type yes. If you don't have, type no. Or you can unmute yourself and talk. Yeah. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Cool,
Hi,
amazing.
Larry.
Yeah,
Yes,
hi.
hi. Yeah, I'm here. Okay. I don't have the GoHighLevel. I haven't got like deciding between. Remember, you offer the webinar kit. I haven't commit, and then now this. So I'm
Yeah.
comparing. So I'm still thinking. I think GoHighLevel will be exactly what I'm looking for. I feel.
Okay.
But then have to have the webinar for the timing part. Remember, you mentioned webinar has a timing
Yeah.
to slot the different timing for the people to click in and register to watch
Yeah.
webinar. So maybe you can guide me a little bit on this. And then I want to see how can I use WhatsApp, the AI WhatsApp, like the one you said in GoHighLevel, to announce my website, because I haven't announced it, right? So I'm thinking go and announce all the leads, my contact. I think that will be a good time to comb leads. So maybe
Okay.
you can help me out. Yeah.
Okay. So you asked a few questions, so I answer one by one. Okay. So first
Yeah.
of all, okay, if let's say you want to save cost lah, okay,
Okay.
then I think you can just get GoHighLevel because GoHighLevel you can do all like or some of like most of these features. Okay. The only difference is that instead of let's say embedding a webinar, like instead of a webinar that is a specific time that it feels like it's live, you will have like a YouTube video instead, where you just embed a YouTube video and then people watch the YouTube video and then they book an appointment with you. Um, Based on my test, like if I use webinar kit and I have all the follow up and everything, my appointment rate can be 20 to 25%. When it's just a YouTube video, my appointment rate is 5 to 10%. Yeah. So um so it does affect the conversion rates, okay? But if you want to save, like, yeah, so to me, it's like you save this cost on software, but you end up spending more because you get your cost per lead is more expensive, you get lesser appointments, so your cost per appointment is more
Yeah,
expensive, your cost per sale is more expensive. So to
yeah,
me, I wouldn't save on the software lah. But if let's say you
sure.
really want to save, you can still use like you can do an opt-in form and
Mm,
then you do your upload on YouTube and then you embed your YouTube video or upload on Go High Level
mm,
and then embed that video onto your that like that lah. Yeah,
mm.
that can also work. Okay. So that I hope that answers your question.
And
Second
so
thing
the
is if
webinar part, right?
yeah
Sorry, I interrupted. The webinar kit, let's say I get from you the solo one. Remember, I bit confused. So is it monthly or yearly? Let's say I do yearly, right? It's 164, huh? You were saying. I just recalling the conversation.
it's half price of whatever Webinar Kit Pro sells at. So okay,
So if I pay yearly, how do I go about it? Let's say I do
yeah,
your affiliate.
you have to pay half of their price. Okay, so I show you an example.
Yeah.
So okay, if you take the yearly, it's $28 a month, right? Okay, so if you buy from me,
Mm.
it's 14 USD per month. Okay,
Oh.
so if you take a calculator,
Mm. Okay, I need
but
to
you have to
calculate
pay
my
for
cost.
12 months, lah, right? So 14
Okay.
times
Uh-huh.
12 is
Uh-huh.
168 USD, right? Then you just go and
Okay.
count 168 USD to SGD.
Convert.
It's $215, right? You pay now this to me, okay? Pay
Mm.
now, right?
Mm. Mm.
87861319, and then you transfer to 15.33. I give you 1 year access to Webinar Kit, basically. So half price of
The
whatever they sell.
solo, right? It's solo account,
And
right?
solo,
Correct,
yeah,
right?
solo account,
Okay.
okay?
Okay,
And
cool.
this is just Webinar Kit Pro, okay? Automated.
Okay.
It doesn't include live, okay? The account I give you will have live webinar as well. So I show you the price of
Oh,
live webinar.
okay.
So so you already know Webinar Kit Pro yearly is $28 a month, right? Okay. If you take
Mm.
Webinar Kit Live,
Mm.
okay. So this is live webinar. So if
Mm-hmm.
you take Webinar Kit Live, the price for their
Mm-hmm.
yearly is $42 a month. So 28 plus $42 a month is $70 a month USD. Yeah, but
Mm.
I will give you $14 a month. You get what I mean? And you get both
Oh,
Webinar Kit
wow.
Live plus automated. That
Okay.
means you're
Okay.
getting for half the price of automated, but you're getting two softwares, not just
Oh,
one.
wow. I didn't know about that. That's why I was unclear. So now I'm clear. Okay, okay.
And
I
you get
will
everything
commit
else
this
as
very
well.
soon.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like if you
Because
ask
I
me
need
if you want to
anyway.
save cost, this is cheaper
Ah,
lah. It's cheaper than Go High
okay.
Level also. Yeah.
Never mind. I think I get this from you yearly, and then let's talk about the Go High Level on the WhatsApp. I think it's what I'm looking at. CRM also. I need a CRM. So many things to do. So, okay. So look at
Okay,
the
can ah.
CRM. Yeah. Can
So
can.
you
I'm
need to
clear.
if you want to do the WhatsApp blast and everything, you need to have your Go High Level. Then only you can do your
Okay.
WhatsApp blast lah. But okay, so Go High Level got a lot of features, right? So if you
Sure.
use all these features, it's definitely worth 97 a month. But if you only
Mm.
want to use WhatsApp, right? Okay, you do not need to use Go High Level. Like you can use a software example, let's say WhatChim. Okay. So
Oh.
WhatChim is only a WhatsApp software. It doesn't have all the other things like the CRM, sales funnel, etc. And
Okay.
this one is like $12 a month, something like that.
Okay.
So if you only need WhatsApp, then you might as well just get something like let me see the price,
Uh-huh.
Sing.
Well, you're
Yeah, but
looking at because
yeah.
I'm thinking about my social media. Remember the 30 days plan? I want to start doing this August, which I committed and I said I must do it, right? So now
Mm-hmm.
it's August really. I want to get it up. So it seems like Go High Level has that social media thing that you showed
Yes.
just now.
Yes.
Then compare to buffer, right? Don't you think that is more straightforward, the Go High Level?
Go
Like
high
more
level is
straight.
go high level is definitely more straightforward because everything is in one. It's an
Yeah.
all-in-one software. If you have Go High
On
Level,
one,
right, you
right?
probably don't
Yeah,
need almost any other. You don't need any other software with Go High Level,
exactly.
right? Like, yeah, other than Go High Level, I have Webinar Kit and maybe I have like Zapier, but I don't even need Zapier if I go high level. So like I only have these tools and maybe Podia, but the
Oh,
only reason I use Podia for my community is because I've been doing that for 8 years, and 8 years ago that
right.
wasn't go high level, and then I got
Yeah.
thousands of videos on Podia, so like to migrate everything to go high level is a bit tough lah. That's why I didn't migrate. But like
Yes.
If you have
Yes.
Go High Level, you technically don't need anything. You can use it to do everything. Yeah.
Understand. I think the Go High Level, it's, I mean, for me as a new beginner on a online presence, I want to like not have so many software to maintain and so much headache. I felt like that's not the way to start. I mean, listening and learning, I felt I don't want to start that way. You know what I mean? So I mean,
Mm,
now there's a chance, there's an option. I
yeah.
will probably do the Go High Level, very clean and neat
Yeah.
and lean, and streamline. What do you think? I mean, I'm just asking a question.
I think so. Yeah. I think
Yeah,
go and get a 30-day free trial, try it
yeah,
out, play
yeah.
around with the software. Okay, I need to say one thing first. That Go High Level
Okay.
is quite technical to use. Like it's not an easy software to use. Like it's a very powerful software. But because the
Mm,
powerful things, that means got many features. Many
sure.
features means might be slightly complex for a normal user to understand. But the good thing is that
Mm,
now they have a lot of AI features that it makes it very easy lah. Because of the AI, like the AI can do it for you. Last time, don't have all these AI features. Like, yeah. Okay, anyway, so
oh, okay.
what I recommend is you try a 30-day free trial and then try out all
Okay.
the softwares and everything, and then see whether you
Okay.
can post on your social media and all that. And then you can
Mm.
replace all your other subscriptions. Like you don't need buffer, you don't need all these other
Right.
software because it's all in one. It's
Yeah.
all inside Go High Level.
Exactly. This is what I'm looking for the solution. And then it will keep me going, like not so
Yeah.
stressed. So many things to manage. It's very tiring. The brain
Right.
cannot
And you
overload
can
liao.
the entire website
The
on Go High Level also. Yeah.
okay. So the WhatsApp, you think no need to show me how to do it, or just to go and
You
toggle
don't have an
myself?
account yet. You don't have an account yet. It's right for me to show you. Okay. Okay. I show you an example. Okay.
Okay.
So let's say you click here. You click on
Uh,
settings. You
okay.
click on WhatsApp. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. For
Okay.
WhatsApp, I
Mhm.
think it's like $10 a month or $20 a month. Okay, to activate WhatsApp. Okay.
Oh,
Then you click on add number and then you add you log in via your Facebook account or something, and then
okay.
you um and then you
TikTok don't have, is it? TikTok is not there, huh? Only maybe IG, something like that.
no, no, okay, now we're talking about WhatsApp, right? Let's talk
Oh
one by
yeah,
one.
yeah.
Okay.
I forgot.
So
Yes.
the WhatsApp, so you log into your Facebook because Facebook owns WhatsApp. So you need to log into your Facebook account in order to activate your WhatsApp. Okay.
Right.
Then you just follow their step, proceed to verify, then you get an OTP, you verify. Then after that, it's connected already. Once it's connected, it will say something like that. If it's not connected, it will say something like pending. But if it's connected, it'll say connected. Then you can start using
Okay.
it already. Yeah. Make
Got it.
sense? Okay.
Makes
Okay. What's
sense.
your next question about TikTok?
Uh, okay. So you were saying, for Go High Level, TikTok is still not there. Is it something like that? Is it TikTok? Is it like integrated, or because I want to
The
start with TikTok?
chatbot is not
Mm.
integrated with TikTok yet lah. But I believe very soon, yes. Okay. But
Mhm.
you can post to your TikTok automatically using the social planner and all that. Yeah. So like you can post content. Um, let's say I click on marketing social planner, right?
Yeah.
So like yesterday I posted this on my TikTok. Okay.
Oh.
So
Okay.
so this is my post that I created on TikTok. And by the way,
Mm.
like okay, so I created
I
this
made my
post.
first 10K sale
I didn't
without
post this directly on TikTok. I posted through Go High Level to post on TikTok. Make sense? Okay.
Right.
So this was posted automatically lah. And then, so from here, right? Yeah. So that's the thing. And then you can see all your content recurring. All the
Cool.
comments that you receive as well. Okay.
Oh, that's cool.
And
Yeah.
then you can see your statistics as well. So like I can see like okay, number of posts, total likes, total followers, total impressions in these 6 days. Okay,
Mm.
total comments. Number of posts. Oh, I
Awesome.
did one on Instagram. You can see very detailed stats. It's even better than Buffer or any of those social media
Yeah.
platforms.
Actually,
Yeah,
yeah. My
like
gosh.
141,000 likes for this one, 118,000 likes for this one.
Yeah.
57.33 thousand likes for this one. Total followers,
Awesome.
total likes. Uh, yeah, you get the point. Social is
That's a lot. That's a lot. Yeah. So you actually plan your social content, like every month. Do you like load it up nicely, or do you week by
yes.
week? How do you do it? Like, yeah.
I got a team to do it. Yeah.
Or you got somebody back end to plan for it,
But
or
you
kind
should,
of
if
plan for it.
budget is an issue, you should do it yourself lah. Yeah.
Yeah, lor, I know, right? I
But
mean, now
sometimes I
finance
don't
is
really post content and all that also. Like I've stopped posting content on my social media for like 2 or 3 months already. Yeah. I've been running
okay.
ads lah, but yeah.
Cool. I mean, eventually, if I want to get someone to do it, I can also, right? Like how you do it, like get
Of
the
course,
back
yeah, you
end,
can hire a
the back-end
Filipino,
team.
hire a Bangladeshi, do it for you.
You have a list of back end people, right? That you have it in
Yes,
the resources. I think I will
correct.
go and see that one. Yeah, can. I think
Can, huh?
most of my answer is answered for this point because I'm at this stage. I'm still at this stage. So the
Okay.
recording part for the webinar, I still haven't get to that task. It's just too many things going on. So do you still recommend doing Zoom recording, right? Still the
Yes,
Zoom
correct.
recording.
Use Zoom to
Okay,
record. Yeah,
so
easier to
let's
use
do
it.
that one. But I think I have a challenge on. Let's say I want to add on more things, right? I can still add on along the slide, right? Don't have to be say how does it read out of the slide. You're saying read directly from the slide.
You can talk extra
So
lah. If you got things that you want to talk about, your story, you can talk extra lah.
okay,
Yeah, but the slides are there
okay,
to guide you lah. Yeah.
can. 好的,
Okay.
thank you. I think I'm good.
Cool.
Yes.
Hope that
Thank
helps.
you,
Okay,
Eric.
great.
Thank you. Yes. It
Okay,
helps a
next,
lot.
let's answer Nisa's question. So Nisa said, I already have the Freedom Funnel subscription to set up my AI caller. How can I also use for others' purpose in the same subscription? So Nisa, so it depends on what you want, right? Like for you, you probably, if you want to post content, then you can use that to post content, right? You want to create a funnel, you can create it on GoHighLevel itself. So rather than, okay, you see, if you create your registration page on Webinar Kit, people will go to webinarkit.com/ your registration page. But if you created on GoHighLevel and you embed your Webinar Kit registration form on your GoHighLevel, they can go to like your specific domain, one like venturamethod.com, you know? Yeah. You are already using your GoHighLevel for the automated AI WhatsApp, AI chatbot, you're already using that. You could change your calendar instead of using cal.com, you could change it to GoHighLevel, but it's gonna be a bit of a hassle lah because you already film your webinar and you tell people to go to cal.com. Unless there's a specific reason why you want to switch to GoHighLevel. Like for me, that I used to use cal.com for my calendar, but there was a specific reason why I needed to switch to GoHighLevel because number one, I had 3 sales team, right? So rather than if cal.com is just me, if I subscribe to the Teams plan, I think I have to pay like $29 or $50 a month to subscribe to the Teams plan. So I rather just do on GoHighLevel since I already have a subscription on GoHighLevel, right? Secondly, is because I can send the automated WhatsApp and SMS and emails after people book an appointment. Okay. Third reason why I chose GoHighLevel, I changed my calendar is because on GoHighLevel, right, I can okay, so this is quite technical, but I could basically create a UTM underscores etc. Okay, that means on cal.com, right, I cannot do this, but on GoHighLevel I can do this. So let's say this is my calendar, okay? So normally people let's say normally people go just like that, okay? To book an appointment, okay? Okay. But on GoHighLevel, I can create like a question mark UTM underscore source equal. Okay, so show you an example. So I can create a UTM underscore source equals Alaric test or UTM source equals YouTube ad 1, campaign 2, So I can create like different UTM sources and I can track exactly my lead, right? Which ad they came from or which campaign they came from or which lead which was it YouTube ad or Facebook ad. I can track exactly where they came from. Whereas on cal.com I cannot do that. So but it depends, you have to be quite advanced to be able to like make use of this. Okay. Sulin asks, for Freedom Funnel, if only have one US mobile, can we have multiple WhatsApp numbers? You mentioned each WhatsApp number will cost about 10 USD per month. Okay. So if you pay I think it's 20 USD per month, okay? But if you pay 20 USD per month, you can have as many WhatsApp numbers on one account as you want. Yeah. So it's not that you can only have one, you can have multiple. Okay, hope that answers your question. Okay. So Nisa, does that answer your question? Like, I think the social content will help you. And then the email marketing, okay, right now you're using SendFox, but now SendFox, I stopped using SendFox because one day they tell me that I bought the lifetime deal. Then one day they tell me that I have to pay $100 per month because I got 25,000 contacts. So I have to pay $100 a month. And I hit because okay now SendFox changed their pricing already. Last time it was like you can like as long as you pay, you can use it. You can send up to 1 million emails a month. Now they changed their plan to like, they only give you 300,000 emails that you can send. After you finish sending 300,000, they ask you to pay monthly already. Yeah. So I had to move over to another platform. But honestly, SendFox has a better open rate than GoHighLevel's email. My GoHighLevel, okay, my SendFox email, my open rate, right? When I send to the whole list, is about 17%. When I send to my active contacts, that means people who have opened in the last 90 days, my open rate can be 20 to 30%. When I send on GoHighLevel, and I send only to my active contacts, like I'm getting open rates at like 9%, 8%, 7%, 6%. I'm getting worse and worse open rates. And I've gotten feedback from one of my clients that like my emails are landing in spam and all that. Yeah. So yeah, but I had no choice because it's either I continue paying $100+ per month to SendFox or I swap to GoHighLevel. Like I most likely I might go back to SendFox and just pay the $100 a month because I get the better open rate, and to me it costs more money. Like every time I send an email, let's say I send 4 emails to promo one webinar, I'll make maybe $5,000 in sales. So promoting 5,000, so if I send 4 emails, I make 5K. That means each email is worth 1K plus. Getting an open rate of 6% versus 17% is a difference of 3 times. Make sense? So like if I send 4 emails, I make 5K. I might as well pay the $100 a month to SendFox to get better open rates. Yeah. So don't be penny wise and pound foolish. So like yeah. Okay. Mitch asked, how about if we got Aweber already? So I used to use Aweber last time also. Aweber, depending on how many email contacts you have, it can be like $50 a month, $90 a month. But if you do GoHighLevel, then it's all included, right? So if you have GoHighLevel, then you don't need Aweber anymore. Yeah. Unless you don't mind paying the Aweber every month, then go ahead. Yeah. Hope that answers your question. Yeah. Okay, cool. So, anyone else has any question? It's about 10 p.m. now. I hope you all got a lot of value. How many of you agree that today's session is valuable, right? If you think it's valuable, type valuable in the chat, okay? And yeah, let me know. Oh, by the way, I'm thinking of organizing a mastermind, maybe in Bali or JB or something, okay? How many of you will be keen to attend a mastermind if we organize a mastermind in Bali or JB or KL or Gate or something like that? If you will be keen, type me in the chat, okay? Or type mastermind in the chat, okay? Yeah, Lee say JB can, okay? Cool. How many of you will attend, okay? How about, yeah, you shouldn't say yes, makes sense to stick with Stanford. Keen, okay? Jada says keen. I would attend in JB, okay? Seems like most people will want JB. Yeah. JB or Bali either. Okay, cool. Anyone else? Type in the chat. Who will be keen if we organize a mastermind? I haven't confirmed any dates or anything, but depends on dates, but I'm keen. Okay, sounds good. Okay, great. Sounds good. Okay. Love to see everyone. Great. Yeah. Awesome. Keen. Leopold. Wow, Leopold, will you fly all the way to JB or Bali if we organize a mastermind there? Yes? Leopold is from Canada, by the way. Anyway, so yes, okay, great. Then let's organize something, okay? Cool. All right. Thank you everyone. Thanks for coming. And the next session I think will be by Nisa, right? Let me check. Is it Nisa or Ozan for the next session? Will be by Nisa, right? Yeah, so Nisa will be doing this Friday, so make sure you're going to attend her session. And I hope you all will get a lot of value from that session. Okay, great. Take care, everyone. I hope I'm glad you all got value, and I'll see you all. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, this coming weekend is the Perfect Pitch sales class. So if you have not attended before, highly recommend you attend. Or if you have attended before, go and attend as a refresher. You will every time you attend, you will learn new things. Okay, not because I teach new things, but because you will become a different person. And when you attend the first time, you're A level closing, right? Yeah, at a certain level of closing. And then you do a few sales calls and then you attend again. The what you learn will be a different thing. It's just like you read the Bible, or you read the Quran. Every time you read is a different, it's the same Quran, but you change as a person. Make sense? So if you all want to attend again, you can go and attend. Okay, but I'm gonna teach the exact same content. But yeah, okay, great. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Please send the link for Perfect Pitch. Okay, this is the link for Perfect Pitch. Okay, stream.alaricong.com/. Okay, yeah, go and register for the Perfect Pitch sales class. It's this coming weekend. Okay, take care everyone. See you. Bye bye. Okay, first go and click the link first before I end the Zoom room. Okay, take care everyone. Bye bye.